हेलो गाइस, माई सेल्फ पवन कुमार। आई एम फ्रॉम 3RI टेक्नोलॉजीज। आज हमारे साथ आयुष है। आयुष डेटा एनालिस्ट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और आज हम उनका मॉक इंटरव्यू लेने वाले हैं जो रहेगा SQL टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर। तो यस आयुष, कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए, अपने बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन करवाइए।
So my name is Ayush. I am from Rajasthan and I have done my bachelor's in technologies from Rajasthan Technical University and my branch is petrochemical engineering.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट। फिलहाल कितने साल से आप या फिर कितने मंथ से आप ये प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो?
Last 8 months.
Okay, no problem. I can see in your resume you are trained on the basis of SQL. So yes, please tell me what is SQL?
SQL is a structured query language or a programming language which is used to interact or retrieve the data from a database.
Okay, and what type of statements are there in SQL?
There are 4 types of statements: DDL, DML, DCL and TCL.
Okay, just give me some example of DDL.
DDL, data definition language, which is used to create, alter the data from a database.
Okay.
On the basis of their need.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Ayush, what is subquery?
Subquery is a query nested with another query, which is used to perform the complex calculations from a data which we are retrieving from a database.
Okay. Is there any relation in subquery and join? Is it same or is kind something different?
It is different.
Okay. No problem. Please explain me what is difference between primary key and unique key.
Primary key is a set of a column or a column which is that defines the uniquely identified record from each table, and it does not contain any null values, but in a unique query it contains not null values.
Okay, and what is foreign key?
Foreign key is a column or a set of column which connects with the primary key of another column, another table, and it builds the relationship between two tables.
Okay, then what is distinct in SQL?
Distinct keyword is a keyword which we use to find the unique values from a record or a database, and it deletes the duplicate values from the records.
Okay. Yes, Ayush. Assume any table and just give me one example of group by query.
Assume any table. We can group the specific rows or data on the basis of which we need. That like in an employee table, which we are looking for a name or something regarded to the need. We can use whereby clause.
But just tell me where I can use group by in table. Just consider one table is there, that salesperson name is there, month is there, and their sales data is there, like what are their sales. So can I group them by using month or join?
Yes, we can group. We can use the where clause and also the group by clause on the which we need.
Okay. Is it possible to group by data on the basis of numerical data, numerical column?
That I'm not sure about this.
Okay. So guys, this is important question. So we cannot group by data on the basis of numerical column. Yeah. So yes, just tell me what are the types of join?
There are various types of join, but we consider inner join, right join, left join, or cell join.
Okay. Just give me one example of right join and left join.
Right join, in right join we can get the data from the all rows and columns from the right table, but we also get the matching rows from the left table also. But in the left table, we can get all the data from the left table, and matching columns and rows from the right table.
Okay. Is there any particular query or clause in SQL so that I can get only null values? If there are some null values in the table, is there any query or is there any keyword or is there any clause in SQL so that I will retrieve only null values from the table?
I think it's a null keyword. I'm not sure about this.
Yeah. So yes, guys, this is important question. Once again, Sometimes interviewer can ask how to get the only null values. So in where clause I can use in not null or something like this, or is null.
Is null.
Yeah. So you will get only null values. Yes. What is order by then?
Order by clause is which sort the data when which we need. Basically.
Okay. Can I order Can I sort the data by descending order, and how I can sort it?
By using order by clause.
Yes, but in descending order. If I have to sort the data in descending order.
By using order by clause, we can specify in the query by typing the DESC keyword.
Yeah, DESC means descending order. Yes, descending I can use that. Yes, like what are the uses or what is trigger in MySQL?
Trigger is basically the statement which automatically execute on the basis of a specific event which we need in a query or to perform in a database.
Okay, that's good. What is the difference between truncate, delete, and drop statements in MySQL?
Truncate, delete, and drop statements. Delete statement which only delete the specific rows from a table, and truncate which delete the all rows from a table, and then drop we can delete the whole table from a database.
Can you delete a database by using drop?
Yes.
Okay, how? What will be the way?
By using the drop statement, by using the drop keyword on the front of the query.
If my database name is employee DB, how I can drop it?
Drop employee DB from the database name.
But I'm just dropping the database only.
Okay. I'm not sure about this.
Okay, so this is another important question that if I had to drop a database, I'll just use drop and database name. The database will be dropped. Yes, what is the advantages and disadvantages? Just tell me about subqueries.
Subqueries advantages that which is basically used to solve the complex calculations in a database, which we find to retrieve the data or record on the specified need. But its disadvantages are if we perform various subqueries in a single query, it will maximize the size of the query, and which is very hard to explain or understand by the client.
Okay, that's good. What is the difference between view and table?
View basically gives the view basically gives all the indexes, column names and rows names, but only give the view of a table. Does not give the all information about the table, which is very useful to us or any SQL developer. But if a table we define, it is gives all the records or tables on all rows and columns.
Okay, so to give answer of this question, I would like to add something into this, that just you can give one difference. Table is stored in database, but view we are not storing. View is an imaginary table. It is not real time table. View does not get view does not what I can say get the storage. Okay, but table takes the storage. Okay, yeah, that's good. Do you know some time intelligence function from SQL or date function?
No, sir.
Do you know month function?
Which is used, the month function basically used to get the date and time of the basic data.
Okay.
System data.
Okay, and year, hours, minute, now, today.
I basically knows about the function date and time or.
Okay, so sometimes student gets confused on this type of question, that if interviewer asks, do you know something about time intelligence function? So student, don't be confused. Time intelligence function are those function in that if you are using a date function, you are retrieving date from a whole date. If you are retrieving a day from a date, if you are changing the format of that date. Okay, so that the time intelligence function, and these time intelligence functions are very similar to a mathematical or arithmetic function from SQL. Okay. Okay. So please tell me, what are the arithmetic function in SQL?
Arithmetic functions are
So Ayush, just tell me, what is the use of limit in SQL?
Limit stands for in a query which we can specify the limited data which we need or to retrieve from the database.
Okay, and what is the basic use of self join in MySQL?
Self join is basically used to retrieve the data or column from itself or itself table to specify the rows and columns from present in a itself table.
Okay, what is the use of between in SQL?
Between term is used in a query in which we find specify record from a single record to another record.
Okay, and just one word, one sentence, you may answer, why should we use index in SQL?
To specify the address of an rows or a record, or to retrieve it easily or fastly by using index.
Okay, that's good. And if I ask you, I have to get the data from one date to another date, which keyword should I use?
From one date to another date, we can use limit.
Okay, I think we should use between.
We can also use between, but if we use only top 10 data, we can top 10 date and time, we can use limit also.
Okay. If I have to get today's date, which function is there in SQL?
Date and time, which retrieve the system date or time from itself.
Okay. If I have to get the max number from my cells column, then
we can use maximum function, minimum function for minimum value, or sum function for to sum all the values.
Yeah, very good. Can I use sum function for particular column, or can I use sum function just like month wise or name wise, something like this?
Sum function will always work on numerical values or
if you just consider there is data, as I previously said, employee data, employee name or sales person name, month name and sales. I have to calculate sum of sale by month. How can I calculate it?
Basically, we can use sum function on the sales date, sales, and by giving the order by on the table we choose
order by. Okay, so this is important. It's not order by. We should give group by.
Group by. Okay.
If I have to sum the cells on the basis of month, then I should use group by, and then the month name is there. Yes, that's all. Thank you.